Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to build automatic expense report without scripts. So let's get started with the video. So basically here I have created a expense report. As you can see, I have mentioned date, what is the category, description and amount. Now what I want it to automatically sum the food amount, the travel amount, the bill amount in a new sheet without using the script. So we are going to use SUMIF formula here. For this we can go to create a new sheet and we can rename it as report, or you can rename it as according to your need. Here we want the sum. So here I have mentioned the category food, travel, bill and the total spend. That means from sheet 1, whatever the amount is basically for food, that should get calculated automatically. What is for travel, it should get calculated, and what is for bill, it should get calculated automatically. For this we are going to use formula, that is SUMIF. So we will write equal to SUMIF. The first thing which it's asked for is range. So for which range we want, basically we will go to sheet 1. We want it for category 1, right? The travel, food, bill, we wanted the sum of this. So we are just going to choose this B. We are again going to new report. We will put comma. The next thing, it's asking for criteria. What should be the criteria for it? The criteria should be this, correct? That category should be food, travel, billing. So criteria we are going to mention here is food. For the first one we want is at food. So we are going to give it as criteria. The next thing, it is asking for sum range. So what we are going to sum? We are going to sum the amount, right? So we are going to sheet 1. We are going to select the amount range. Again, we are going to sheet 2 and we need to click on enter. So as you can see here, once I clicked on enter, it summed the total amount. It gave 2000. We are going to sheet 1 and we will check if it's correct or not. For the first one was 1200, the second one of 800. So it summed it as 2000. As you will add more here, it will sum for that as well. It will automatically get calculated according to your input over here in the first sheet. Now, in order to get for travel and bills as well, what we need to do, we need to keep the mouse cursor on this cell, that is B2 for food total spend, and just from the corner we need to drag it down till the bill. Now the next thing we can do is create a pivot table to make it more interactive. How we can do that is, we need to go to this insert, post that here you will get an option of pivot table. In this data range, you need to select the range for which we want to create a table. Click on OK and then select new sheet. Click on create. You will see this window will come, a new sheet will come, and at the right side you will see a pivot table editor. Here under category we can choose total spend, as we have only one category, and here suggested as it is given, we can either sum of total spend by category, sum of total spend for each category. So we will choose the first one, and as you can see here, it has created a pivot table with a grand total as well. So this is basically a good way in which you can manage your expenses and no script is being required. You can edit the changes here. If you want to add a particular column, you can click on this add. Any values you want to add, you can make all the changes in this table from this editor itself. So basically this is how you can make the expenses report. It will automatically get calculated and also will be in the form of pivot table. And this is without scripts. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.